Hello there, folks.
Okay, in this experiment, we're going to stress our laptop's memory capacity. We're going to do this by repeatedly doubling the size of the document we are editing. Okay, first though, in order to allow you to make comparisons, let's check how much storage there is on this laptop. So I'll go into the search box and I'll type in System. And I want to bring up the System Settings app. Here it is. And here's my device specifications. So the installed RAM is 32 gigabytes. All right, well that's quite a bit of RAM. Okay, so now I need to create a blank document and start copying and pasting into it. So let me do that. So let me open File Explorer. Now here's a document with one page of text in it. Let me open it. Now I want to create a blank document. So go into File, Blank Document. There's my blank document. Now let me go back into this document here. Now let me select this page of text. So I'll use the Control A shortcut. So I press both the Control key and the A character at the same time. And all the text is selected. Now I want to copy that text, so I press Control and C at the same time. Control C. I've copied that text. Now I want to paste it into my new document. So I go into the new document and I press Control and V at the same time. Whoopsie, that didn't work. And there you go. There's all the text. So that's basically one page of text. So let me turn on page numbering in order so that I can keep track of the size of this document. So go into Insert, and here we have page numbering and bottom of the page. Okay, simple, plain. There's page numbering turned on. Okay, so I'll close header, and now I've got one page of text in this new document. So I'm ready to start my repetitive cycle of copying and pasting. Oh, okay, so I've jumped ahead a little bit. I've repeated steps 4 to 6 5 times, and now I have a 32-page document. So I'll take this as the starting point. Remember, each time I repeat steps 4 to 6, the size of the document will double. And in fact, it won't be long, in fact, about 68 cycles before the laptop starts to be stressed. Okay, so let's see what happens. Okay, so let me open File Explorer. Okay, let me open my 32-page document. Here it is. Let me go to the end of it. See. All right, so here we are at the end of it. So now I'm going to repeat steps 4 to 6. Okay, so let me select all the text. I do that by pressing the Control key and the A key at the same time. Note the Control key is the key marked CTRL, and there's generally 2 of them on the keyboard. You can use either one. Okay, so let me press Control and A at the same time. There I've selected all the text. Now I'm going to press Control and C at the same time to copy all the text. Control and C. Now I've copied all the text. Finally, I have to deselect before I do the paste. If I don't deselect, I'll end up just overwriting what I've copied. So let me deselect by left-clicking the mouse. Left-click the mouse. The selection is now cancelled, and now I'm going to do a copy, and that copy will double the size of the document. Control and V. Okay, and I don't want to copy there. I want to copy at the end of the document, so I just place the mouse in the correct place. So now let me do the copy, Control and V, and there I've got a 64-page document. Now let me repeat that, Control and A to select everything, Control and C to copy everything, cancel the selection, and now do a Control and V again to paste, and I should get a 128-page document. There it is, 128 pages. All right, so now let me do Control and A again. Control and A to select, Control and C to copy. Cancel the selection by left-clicking the mouse. And now I do Control and V. And there's my 256-page document. All right. So now let me copy that again. Control and A to select, Control and C to copy. Left click the mouse to cancel the selection, and Control and V. 512 pages. Okay, so I've skipped ahead again. I've now got a document of 2048 pages. So let me repeat the cycle a few more times and let's see what happens. Okay, so Control and A to select, Control and C to copy. All right, left click to cancel the selection. And now let me paste, Control and V. And there's the blue spinning circle. The laptop is starting to show signs of stress. There's the blue spinning circle. It's finished now. I've got my 4096 page document. It has doubled in size. Okay, great. Let me do it again. Control and A. Control and C. And now Control and V. There's the blue spinning circle. It's struggling to paste. It's doing something, but the circle is still there. Let's see what happens. I have to wait a few seconds. And there's an 8,192 page document. All right. And it's just about managed to do it. That's good stuff. All right. Now let's do it again. Control and A. Control and C to copy. Left click to cancel the selection, and now let's see if I can copy this. Control and V. There's the blue spinning circle. Let's see what happens. It's going to take a few seconds at least. Let's see if I can double the size of that document. All right, it's trying to do something. It's still spinning. Give it a few more seconds. Down here, you can see that the page size hasn't increased. It's still at 8,192. It's done it. All right, has the page size increased? Yahoo! It's done it. Okay, that's a bit of a surprise. I didn't think it would get that far. All right, let's try it again. Control and A. Okay. Control and A to select everything. Control and C to copy everything. Now let me cancel the selection by left clicking. All right, blue spinning circle is there. All right, now let me do Control and V. All right, it's struggling. Okay, the page size is 16,385. It's trying to do the copy, but it's struggling. I'd be surprised if I can manage this, but we'll see what happens. All right. All right, it's pasted in some text, but the page size is still basically the same, 16,385. It's one page greater. All right, this blue spinning circle is there. And okay, look up here, Word not responding. All right, so Word has got stuck. All right, I'll try and close Word. I suspect I won't be able to do that. I'll use the red X button up here to close. Okay, let me see if it will close. Microsoft Word is not responding, so I'll just close the program. Okay, there you go. So let me see if I can close it. I don't want to save it. Okay, and there it's closed. Finally, I want to show you a good option to use if the experiment jams up the laptop. You can use the Task Manager to stop the misbehaving program. Okay, so let's do that. Let's go down into the search bar and type in Task Manager to bring up the Task Manager. There it is. I'll click on that. And here's the Task Manager. It's started up. All right, and it shows me the running apps. All right, and one of the running apps is Microsoft Word, and this is the one that I want to stop. So I'll select it. I'll click on the End Task button. Now the blue spinning circle appears, but there you go. And Task Manager has ended the Microsoft Word, and the laptop is back in running order.